Your homework is to go see this company right here. What are some of the things that at least this one that one gonna shock you. You're gonna be like, what? Hey, listen, are you looking for stocks that pay dividends? I got something better for you. Would you like to look for some stocks that pay dividends monthly? There you go. There you go. We talk about stocks that pay you dividends month after month after month after month. That's right. You ain't got to wait a quarter. You ain't got to wait semi-annual like Disney. These are some strong companies that pay dividends every month. So for all my people looking to build massive dividend portfolios, if you started with these 5, this may be a good start to your dividend portfolio. So listen, let's like this video. I want you to share this video. I want you to subscribe to this video. And no, I'm not going to have O Realty in here. Ticker symbol O, the monthly dividend paying company. I'm not going to have that company on here. I know what y'all are looking for. It's not going to be on the list, right? But you're definitely going to love these companies I have. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you the one that I like the most, the one that I actually have in my portfolio. Let's get to it, man. A lot of times, man, we looking for these companies. We looking for a trap. What's the dividends? I need the dividends. Now listen, I love a good dividend company, man. Listen, ain't nothing like cold hard cash that a company pays me for owning it. If you don't know what dividends are, that's what dividends are. Dividends are the cold hard cash that the company pays you every month, every quarter, semi-annually, which is once a year, twice a year, or a special dividend like Costco does, right? So most people go to high dividend companies, they go to REITs. Why? Because a REIT has to pay you about 85% of all its profit to be considered a REIT because they get the tax benefits of that situation. So here we go. Let's get into it. First one on the list, SLG. Now SLG, SL Green, this company pays a 5.58% dividend yield. Not a bad company. This company is into commercial real estate, building, developing commercial real estate. Now that's not bad, right? The dope part about this company is when you own it, you are now being a part of a company that does commercial real estate development. Now, the thing about when you buying REITs like this and companies like this, you're not buying these companies to beat the market per se. You're buying them for the dividend. I know that's hard to believe. Why would I buy the company? When you buy REITs, you are buying a REIT because very seldom does a REIT beat the market, right? It just don't move like that. So you're buying a REIT simply because it pays you a great dividend that can do what? Pay you whole cold hard cash. So we like SL Green. The next one, MAIN, right? With a ticker symbol of 5.54. Now, this one is a really good one, right? Because this one is a business that is into developing healthcare. It does business development for healthcare, information technology, manufacturing, business development. This is what they do over here. Main Street Capital, 5.54% dividend broken down into 12 months. Not 1 month, not 3 months, not 6 months, but 12 months. Let's go a little further. Another one. Watch this one, y'all. EPR, right? Now this one pays a 6.99% dividend yield. Now, this one is interesting because this one is into theaters and entertainment for families. So they help build them out and they lease them. So movie theaters across the world, entertainment centers for people across the world. And you'll be shocked when you go look at some of the names. That's your homework. Your homework is to go see this company right here. What are some of the things that at least this one that one gonna shock you. You're gonna be like, what? Okay, all right, so watch this one. LTC Properties, right? LTC pays a 6.44% yield. Now, this one is interesting because it actually builds, manages senior living, senior care, right here, monthly dividend. Now, of those 4, which one y'all think I own? I own this one right here. Here's why I own that one right there. Commercial real estate can always go in a slump, right? Depending on the market we in, this one can go in a slump. As a matter of fact, I'll do it this way. Depending on the market we in, this one can go in a slump. Why? Because we can stop building commercial real estate, right? We can slow down on commercial real estate. So they're gonna be hard pressed to keep that dividend, right? Main Street Capital, you know, business development is good, but you gotta remember, they're in a broad range of industries. So I'm not really mad at this one. This one has an asterisk mark by it, but business can slow down because they can be spread so thin, right? EPR, when it comes to adult entertainment, not the kind of adult entertainment y'all talking about, right? But we talking about movie theaters and stuff like that. We understand what, in a certain economy, that's gonna slow down. But one thing about this senior care, we all gonna get older. And we got to go, right? And so these things are always, they actually have like a 92% capacity where they always booked. So that means 92% of the time, occupational rate. That means 92% of the time they are always to capacity, right? That's called predictability when you're in the market. You're looking for predictable income. So out of all of these, this the one right here, y'all. LTC Properties. Now, I'm gonna give you a sleeper that most people don't know about right here. Iron Mountain. This is one of my favorite dividend paying stocks, and they pay like everybody else. Listen, this stock deals with storing paper. Now, my old studio I used to always see, and that's what? It's in Atlanta. It's in Atlanta. So what they do is, all the office paper that people used to have that you want to store and tear up and all that, they do it. And then you would be like, Trap, that's an old business model. But guess what they did then? They converted to the cloud as well. So now they'll even store some of your cloud business. Listen, this company right here, Iron Mountain, if you're in Atlanta, you done seen the trucks all around, you done seen them up and down the highway, right? This one here is a boring business. It's so boring. They shred paper, they pick the shredded paper up, they file paper for you. This one here, Iron Mountain, 100% a go-to, man. Listen, it's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Listen, comment in the chat, tell me what you think. Tell me one of your sleepers. I know what y'all gonna put in the chat. You're gonna put SPG, you're gonna put that in the chat. I know that for sure. You're gonna put Old Realty in the chat. You're gonna put VNQ in the chat. I know what y'all gonna put in the chat. Go put some ones in the chat that we don't know about, right? So like this video, man, subscribe, man, share this video with somebody you know they don't want to talk about dividends. Last but not least, understand that it's not me in the chat telling you about WhatsApp and cryptocurrency. That ain't my hype, man. It's your boy, Wall Street Trapper. Salute.